Welcome to sureshbhattclasses. We are solving question on ages, as this topic has no specific formula or characteristics. This topic involves concept of ratio and proportion, percent, average. Therefore, we are going to solve the questions on ages using all these concepts. We directly go to the questions. Our question is, the ratio of ages of A and B is 1:2, and 12 years ago this ratio was 1:3. Find the sum of their present age. The given options are option A 72, option B 60, option C 66, option D 54. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We will solve this question by two methods. One is by concepts and other by shortcut. It's given that A/B is 1:2. So I write it as x upon 2x. Also, it is given that 12 years ago this ratio was 1:3. So I subtract 12 from x as well as from 2x to go to the age 12 years ago. So I write x minus 12 upon 2x minus 12, and this ratio was 1:3. Now by cross multiplication we get 3 times x is 3x minus 12 times 3 is 36 equal to 2x minus 12. By transferring 2x towards left and minus 36 towards right, we get 3x minus 2x is x equal to 36 minus 12 is 24. Thus the value of x comes out to be 24, and we have to find the sum of the ages of A and B. The sum of the ages is x is the age of A plus 2x is the age of B equal to 3x, and 3x equal to 3 multiplied by 24, that comes out to be 72. Thus the sum of the ages of A and B comes out to be 72. And from the given options, our answer is option A. Now we will solve this question by shortcut method. So I erase it first. A/B is 1:2, and 12 years ago this was 1:3. Now the difference between the first ratio 1 and 2 is 1, and the difference between the second ratio 1 and 3 is 2. We have to make this difference equal. So what we do, we multiply the first ratio by 2, and we get this equal to 2:4. Now the difference between 2 and 4 is 2, and 1 is 3 is also, the difference is 2. So I multiply second ratio by 1 to keep it as it is. So this is 1:3. Now the difference between 2 and 1, that is the difference of first element of the first ratio and the first element of the second ratio, that is 2 and 1 is 1, and second element of first ratio and second element of second ratio, that is 4 and 3 is also 1. So what we find, that this 1, 4 and 3, 4 minus 3 is 1, or 2 minus 1 is 1, and 1 is equal to how much? 12 years, because it is said that 12 years ago the ratio was 1:3. So one part is 12 years. Therefore the sum of their ages is 2 part plus 4 part is 6 part equal to 6 multiplied by 12 comes out to be 72 years. This way we can solve this question without using x and can directly find the answer to this question, and our answer is 72, and from the given options our answer is option A. We go to the next question. Our question is 8 years ago the sum of ages of A, B and C was 57 years. The ratio of their present age is 2:3:4. What will be the age of C after 10 years? The given options are option A 55, option B 38, option C 46, option D 39. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We can solve this question within 30 seconds orally. It's given that 8 years ago the sum of the ages of A, B and C was 57 years, 8 years ago. So if we come to the present ages of these three, then we have to add 8 for A, 8 for B and 8 for C, that is 24 years to 57 years. And 57 plus 24 is 81 years is the sum of their present ages. Now, the given ratio is 2:3:4 and sum of all these ratios is 9. And if we divide 81 by 9, we get 9. So each part is 9. So what is the age of C? Present age will be 9 times 4 is 36. And what will be age of C after 10 years? 36 plus 10 is 46. And from the given options, that answer is option C. Now I put up all these steps which I have narrated while solving orally. A ratio B ratio C is 2, 3 and 4. The sum of their ages was 57 years. And if we add 24, 8 for A, 8 for B and 8 for C, so this is 24, and if we add 24 to 57, we get 81. That is the sum of their present ages. And 81 divided by 9, because 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is sum of their ratio, comes out to be 9. And 81 divided by 9 gives us 9. Thus, the present ages of A, 9 times 2 is 18, B is 9 times 3 is 27, and C is 9 times 4 is 36. And it is asked to find the age after 10 years of C. So we add 10 to 36 and we get 46. So the age of C will be 46 after 10 years. The present age of A is 18, the present age of B is 27, and the present age of C is 36. If anything had been asked, we could have given the answer. And from the given options, our answer is option C, 46 years. We go to the next question. Our question is 2 years ago, the ratio of ages of son and father was 1:8. Father's present age is 1/2 times his age at the time of his marriage. If son's present age is 7 years, what was the age of father at the time of his marriage? The given options are option A 36, option B 30, option C 42, option D 40. Before solving, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. It is given that the ratio of ages of son and father was 1:8 2 years ago, and the present age of son is 7 years. So what was his age 2 years ago? 7 minus 2 is 5 years. 2 years ago. Now the ratio of ages of father and son 2 years ago was 1:8. If the 2 years ago the age of son was 5, then age of father was 8 times 5 is 40. This is the age 2 years ago. Therefore, the present age of father is, we add 2 to the age of father and this comes out to be 42. Now the present age I write P and the age at the time of father's marriage I write M, and it is given that the present age is 1 whole and 2 upon 5 times, and 1 whole and 2 upon 5 is 7 upon 5. It means that if the present age is 7, then at the time of his marriage was 5, but the present age is 42. Then what should be the age at the time of marriage? If 7 equal to 42, it means that 1 equal to 6 and 5 equal to 30. Thus the age at the time of father's marriage was 30. And from the given options, our answer is option B. The age at the time of marriage was 30. I hope you have understood the method of solving this question. We go to the next question. Our question is, 5 years ago, the age difference of A and B was 12 years. What will be ages of them after 5 years if the ratio of their present age is 7:9? The given options are option A 42 and 54, option B 36 and 48, option C 30 and 42, option D 47 and 59. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. It is given that the 5 years ago, the age difference of A and B was 12 years. One thing I wanted to say you that this line has no meaning as the age difference remains the same. If it was 12 years 5 years ago, then it will continue to be 12 years for the entire age. For example, if I am say 5 years elder to my brother, I will continue to be 5 years elder to my brother, whether it is 10 years ago or 10 years from now. Basically, the age difference between A and B is 12 years even at present. So I write A ratio B is 7:9, and 7 and 9 has the difference of 2. So 2 is equal to 12 years as given to us. Therefore 1 equal to 6. So the age of A is 7 times 6 is 42, and age of B is 9 times 6 is 54. And it is asked what will be their ages after 5 years. So we add 5 to both the ages. Then 42 plus 5 is 47, and 54 plus 5 is 59. So the age of A will be 47 and age of B will be 59 after 5 years. And from the given options, our answer is option D. Hope you have understood the solution of this question. We go to the next question. Our question is, the ratio of ages of A and B is 5:6. After 7 years, this ratio will be 6:7. What is the present age of B? The given options are option A 42, option B 48, option C 36, option D 54. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. I ask you, can we solve this question orally? Just looking to the options. The ratio of ages of A and B at present is 5:6, and after 7 years it will be 6:7, and they have asked the age of B at present. So the age of B must be divisible by 6, as the ratio in A ratio B is 5:6 and B's part is 6. So the options given to us must be divisible by 6. But if we see all the options are divisible by 6. Then how to go for the correct answer? It is given that after 7 years, this ratio will be 6:7. It means that if we add 7 years to the given options, then the number which we get after adding 7 must be divisible by 7, as the ratio will be 6:7 and B's part will be 7. So if we add 7 to 42, we get 49, which is divisible by 7. That's correct. And A might be our answer. But let's go to the other options as well. The option B is 48. If we add 7 to 48, this becomes 55, which is not divisible by 7. Hence B cannot be the answer. Option C is 36. If we add 7 to 36, it will become 43. And 43 is not divisible by 7. Hence C cannot be the answer. Option D is 54. If we add 7 to 54, it becomes 61. And 61 is also not divisible by 7. Therefore, D is also not our answer. Hence, our answer is only option A, and we directly can reach to the answer without solving this question. But sometime you may not get such options, so you have to solve it. Let's solve it with a shortcut method. A ratio B is 5:6, and after 7 years it becomes 6:7. The difference between first ratio 5 and 6 is 1, as well as in second ratio 6 and 7 the difference is 1. As well as if we go from one ratio to another, the difference is also 1. 5 to 6 is 1 and 6 to 7 is also 1. So 1 is equal to how much? 7 years. So 1 is equal to 7 years. Therefore 6 equal to, as the age of B is 5:6 and age of B is 6. So 6 equal to 6 multiplied by 7, which is 42 years. Hence, our answer is option A, 42 years. I hope you have understood the shortcut method of solving it. We go to the next question. Our question is, 15 years ago, the ratio of ages of A and B was 5:8. The present ratio of their ages is 8:11. Find the present age of A. The given options are option A 40, option B 24, option C 32, option D 48. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. My question is, can we solve this question within 30 seconds from the given options? Yes, we can solve it. We just observe the options. The ratio of A at present is 8 and 15 years ago it was 5. From the given options, if we divide the numbers given to us by 8, we find that every number is divisible by 8. So how to find the correct answer? So we have to subtract 15 from all the given options, and if it is divisible by 5, then that will be our answer. And if we subtract 15 from 40, then we get 25, which is divisible by 5. Hence A must be, or A might be our answer, we can say. If we subtract 15 from 24, we get 9, that is not divisible by 5, so B cannot be our answer. If we subtract 15 from 32, again we are going to get 17, that is not divisible by 5, hence it is not our answer. And 48 when subtracted by 15 we get 33, that is also not divisible by 5, hence D cannot be our answer. Thus our answer is only option A. This way we can solve within 30 seconds this question. Now we solve it by shortcut method, as we have to know. If we are unable to solve it by options, then we have to know how to solve it fast. So we will solve it by shortcut method. A ratio B 15 years ago was 5:8 and at present it is 8:11. The difference between 5 and 8 is 3, as well as in between 8 and 11 is also 3, and 5 to 8 and 8 to 11 is 3. So this is 3. This is also 3. And this 3 is how much? 3 is equal to 15. Therefore 1 equal to 5. And age of A is 8. Therefore 8 equal to 5 times 8 is 40 years. Thus from the given options, our answer is option A. We go to the next question. Our question is the ratio of ages of A and B is 1:3. After 15 years, this ratio will be 2:3. Find the age of B after 10 years. The given options are option A 34, option B 25, option C 28, option D 22. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We solve this question by shortcut method. The ratio of the ages of A and B is 1:3. The present ratio of their ages is 1:3. And after 15 years, this becomes 2:3. If we observe, the difference between 1 and 3 is 2 and difference between 2 and 3 is 1. So we have to make this difference equal. So what we do, we multiply 1:3 by 1 and 2:3 by 2, and we get 1:3 as it is, and 2:3 when multiplied by 2 gives us 4:6. Now the difference between 1 and 3 and 4 and 6 is equal also, and the difference between 1 and 4 is 3 and 3 and 6 is also 3. It means that this 3 to 6 or 1 to 4 is 3 parts, and this 3 parts equal to 15 years, and the present age of B is 1:3 is 3 part. Therefore age of B is 15 years. Now what will be its age after 10 years? So we add 10 to 15 and we get 25 years. Thus after 10 years the age of B will be 25 years. And from the given options, our answer is option B. Here completes this video. Please watch all my videos on this topic as well as all the topics in quantitative aptitude. Please do lot of practice from different books to become perfect in solving such type of questions. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.